From the home screen, click on Forms. These forms are custom to your company and they can be accessed, filled out, and submitted electronically. This alleviates the worry of retaining the paper form and getting it back to the office in one piece. To open and fill out a form, you will click on the title of the form. You can attach up to 3 pictures if needed. You can choose pictures from the gallery on your device, or you can use your camera to take pictures. They will be saved to the form when you submit it. After filling out the form and attaching or taking pictures if needed, click on Please select your name and start typing your name. Then select your name from the drop-down list and draw your signature in the signature box. You will notice that your screen will rotate, allowing lots of room for you to draw your signature. Click Done when you are finished. It will take you back to the form. Then click Submit. You will get a message that says, "Form submitted successfully."